Yeah, man, welcome forward to the channel, man. And yo, 2, 3 year ago, or even a year ago, Dr. Lovedan, he mix up them way I go on with them people upon social media. You don't know, say Dr. Lovedan find peace site, but you don't know Chima manage Nigeria boy and thing. You see it, and the Empress with her hairball, and Diana King's sister, no. You see it. A Queen Bella from over TikTok. See her, man. Yeah, man. The same girl there as she, them say calling bet more lose her job and them things. So if you new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You see it. Yeah, man. And Dr. Love there talk some real thing. You see it. And when I go to judge the video, I make you hear him I say, yeah, man. But him stay from far from all of the mix up them war go on and thing. You don't know him focus on the artist thing, you see it. Yeah man. So we go check out the Dr. Lover say and thing and just leave on the thoughts down in the comment section said speed, you
If I
see.
don't like you, I don't like you. And there's nothing can get me to like you if I don't like you. I just don't like you. I don't care for you. I don't see you on my radar. But you're still my co-worker. You're still in the space. You feel me? You know, I get up in that man via say, somebody where you say, big up Miss Lawton too, yeah? Big up lady named Miss Lawton. I've never met her, but I've saw her online. I go up on her page couple times. She called to me before I called to her. I never go to her restaurant, as I said, because I haven't go that side yet. Big her up. But I'm bigging up the people who me see. Karen Bloomfield, big up yourself, mama. I remember when your daughter passed away the other day. I mean, know your daughter from your daughter, baby. When I look into things like that, I hope the baby is doing good. Right? Baby supposed to get big by now. On the big up to Karen. She lost her daughter. She lost her daughter this year. This year, I think she lost her daughter. And the baby is alive, but the mother never make it. Big up to Karen. And big up to Karen, big up yourself. Because, listen, all of us maybe don't hang out like we used to. All of us used to live in so much unity. In a Jersey, I said, when I used to eat and talk and laugh and talk, it was such a memories to remember every one of us that used to hang out at Jersey. And everybody separate, this one fight against this one. This one said this one no one said I want to bring news, and then because of that they broke up the whole crew. And God bless the few of us that are still keeping contact and we see each other and all that. But it was a great thing, and that done and gone, and it cannot change. But at least I saw you, and I know say you're alive and you're good. With some brother bling at time to time. You know what I mean? But I'm saying to you people is that life is short. Life is short. Life is so short. You could have pretty. You could have the best body. You could have the best breasts. You could have the most money. You could have the most car. You could have the most jewelry. All that can be eliminated in 2 seconds. All that you have can be eliminated in 2 seconds. That's why when people have things, people must always remember this. You don't own a house, you don't own a car, you don't own your jewelry, you don't own your clothes, you don't own your shoes, you own nothing, you leave with nothing. You come with nothing, you leave with nothing. But if you're going to leave, make sure you leave this earth when your number call, with dignity and pride and love and respect inside of you. Die clean, just like when you're born as a baby. You're born and then clean you up and make you be what you is. Remember that. Leave this earth with a clean mind, a clean heart. You understand? Clean heart and clean mind. You feel me? Whosoever you eat, who you eat, have up who you have up and all of that. Do whatever you want to do. Or make sure you know that it got to be some time where you got to fix your problem. You have to fix your problem at some point. And me, you can't get me to do certain things. You can't get me to hold certain conversation. I definitely like to hold conversation with myself sometimes. It may sound crazy. I cannot even get to hold conversation with myself because I don't like doing it sometimes. But it's time we understand the love and unity that we have inside of us. You feel me? And live every day like it's the last day. Eat what you want to eat. Drink what you want to drink. Go where you want to go. Say what you want to say. That is legit and that is good. Because once your eyes close and you're in that castic, you cannot say nothing. And you ain't leaving with nothing. So you're not more than me. I'm not more than you. You're not more important than me. We all important. We all important. And I hope all of you online. I hope all of you online that get up every single day and I chastise people and I hate people and I'm creating all this animosity with people. Bad-minded people have so much negative to say. Remember, there is a number. And that number can call anytime. And when that number call, you can't say you're not ready. You can't say that give me 5 minutes. Your time come, you gotta bounce. And if you're scared of death, then you have a problem. Anybody that's scared of death have a problem. You can't scared of something that you never go through. You can't scared of something that you never find yourself in a situation. And you cannot be scared of something that never happened to you before. I'm not scared of it. I am not scared of it. In other words, I'm not scared of nothing in this world anymore. I'm not scared of nothing, absolute nothing. I'm dead right now. When I remember this life, I remember these words. I've did mine. I've enjoyed mine. I cherish mine. So I have no problem. And if I didn't apologize to you before, I tell you that forgive me, then don't look for it because it won't happen. Everything is in this world is fine with me. Everything else in this world is fine with me. I have no problem. Except one problem. The only one problem I have in this world is that I have a daughter that I never meet. Never ever meet. Don't know anything about. I don't know nothing about. Absolutely nothing. Because the mother decides to listen to me. I am going to do everything in my power. I am going to do everything in my power to make sure that you don't see your daughter. You don't have any relationship with your daughter. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to bring you down to the lowest level as possible just to make myself comfortable. I'm going to make sure that you will never get to give a night dinner or feed or change a diaper or change your clothes. Did everything in the world that she can do. Tell all kind of lie upon me. Every lie. Go out of jail for him. All of that. Get all that protection against me. Everything. For lying, making stories, building stories. All of that. So much lies and so much stories. And I sit down as a Jenna and wall it out and fight it out and smile every day. Right? Get one other protection for 1 year. Couldn't defend myself, them issue it. Me take it. Then after that, he go back again. And he go tell lie again. Make up story, make up fake videos. Me in one different state where me don't know nothing about. And them issue it for 5 years against me. Right? Anyway, I don't just, hold on. For 5 years against me. That's 6 years. 6 years. That girl do everything in the power. 6 years. Because of spite, because of hate, because of envy, because of jealousy, because of how people grow. Right? When people is bitter against people and all of that, they do everything. And I will let all of that do all of that. And it never stopped me from succeeding in life. It never stopped me from running my construction. It never stopped me from becoming a manager. It never stopped me to become a successful person in life. It never have me on the corner begging. It never have me sitting down, don't know where the next meal is coming from. All of that. All those negative and all that have done to me over the years. You know what God do? God sit down and say, okay, let me use you as an example. And let me make this be what it is. I'm going to give you everything in the world that you need. I'm going to make you be so blessed and so successful that every enemies that go up against you, they will not win. And me do it and 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 do it. And me do my little work every day. And do everything. Right? And me stay close to my two kids them, which is my son and my daughter. My daughter 11 years old. Talked to her yesterday. And my son 18 years old. My son finished school. My son becomes 18. I live to see my son get a driver's license. I live to see my son drive a Mercedes. I live to see my son become so good in life. I live to see my son grow a beard upon his face. And I live to see my son have been accepted in a Colorado, full scholarship to go to college. He don't have to pay for nothing. Housing, and he end up getting a job. I live to see my son coming right now, playing football. Hold on. I'm a block this person named Rose. I will block you because I will not entertain your conversation under any circumstances. You just got blocked. Anyway, right? I live to see my son pass the worst. I live to see my kids then become what it is. And I becomes what it is. I live to see that every negative that they have done and continuously doing, that God put me on a pedestal where I am traveling the world. I'm traveling the world. I've gone to places that I've never been to. And I am grateful for it. I am grateful. I am happy. Because where I'm coming from nothing to where I'm going and what plans, I don't know what plans God have for me. But I am grateful for it. So what I'm saying to you guys, be careful what you do to people. Be careful how you talk down to people. If you're going to talk down to somebody, talk down to them because you mean it from the bottom of your heart. Talk down to them because you mean it and what you said is what you said. Don't talk about somebody if you do not mean what you said. Because if you don't mean what you said and you talk about somebody, you put yourself in all kind of problem. Anything I talk out of my mouth, I mean it, I'm serious about it, and I don't go against it. Under any circumstances. You don't need to get to yourself in order. Need to get yourself in order. You need to get your house in order. My house was in order. My life was not in order. My life was like a roller coaster all over the place. But I was still breathing and still surviving. I did have problems like everybody else. I didn't know how to pay my bills at some point in my life. I couldn't pay my phone bill at some point. I couldn't buy gas. I couldn't buy whatever food I want. I remember days I've gone to Jamaica, I have $1,000 in pocket. I go down there, I have to pinch it. When it done, you get depressed, you want to come back, you come back up, you don't come back to nothing. You don't know where the next dollar come from. You down there, you eat and drink and you carry on and all of that. And then when you touch back on the, when I touch back on the plane, I be a stress. They playing heavy, all kind of sitting. Everybody near me out. Everybody enjoy you coming up with all that problem. All of those things. I've been through all of that. You want to go beach, you can't go to beach. You want to buy certain thing, you can't buy. You have to pinch. You have to buy food and can't go share for everybody. Thanks be to God. I'm not rich. But I don't have to go through none of those again in my life. I don't have to go through that. I don't have to be scraping for $1. I don't have to be begging nobody and say, boy, I beg you $1. I don't have to, me want a new vehicle, I go get a new vehicle. I don't have to get no co-signer. I don't have to beg money for putting in my car. I want some gas. All those things. All of those. I've got everything in life that I ever wanted. Everything that my desire. Because I was born in poverty, but I'm not dying in poverty. I'm not dying in poverty because I was born in poverty. I was born in hungry, but I'm not dying hungry. You sacrifice. Be good with people. You know, I go to Dunkin' Donuts sometime and sometimes my mom go to Dunkin' Donuts and I have to be hiding. Can you imagine that you have to be hiding from success and hiding from people giving you things? Can you imagine? You have to be hiding. I go Dunkin' Donut. I go to buy one coffee. I order one for order the coffee. You know why I order one order the coffee? Because if I order the coffee from them, they know say me. Them give me a whole bunch, all kind of sitting. So she say, yo, why every time you come at Dunkin' Donuts, they pack you up with them give you donut, them give you sandwich, them give you everything. What's going on here? I said, because the mercy of God and because I get along with everybody. I have a clean heart. I have dirty ways. And I have clean heart. But I am good with 90% of the people. So sometimes I want a coffee to drink. I don't go to the Dunkin' Donut them. Some of them. I go to different places and buy because I get too much things free. You just go up on the road and people get things so. Me a drive in a car. Me a tap car and say, hold on, me a go pick up money on the road. You know time me and I'm driving a car, Mr. Tap a car, me I pick up money here, so me I pick up this. People give me this, people give me that and all of that. When you're blessed and you're not hyper, you're not bossy and you're not braggy and all of that, God will give you more than you bargained for. He will give you everything in this world that you don't expect to get. So that's why don't tell me, say, because you have a Mercedes. Don't tell me because you have a Mercedes. I me have a regular truck, you better than me. Don't tell me because you have a bunch of gold around your neck. I mean no gold better than me. Don't tell me say because you're making how much money on your job and I'm not making, you're not better than me. The same blood, same heart, you see just like me. And we come from the same creator. You ain't better than me and me no better than you. All of us is the same. Because when we're dead, we are go where? In the ground. If you don't want to go in the ground and you want them burn you want them bury above the ground, anywhere you take it. We are all meeting at the same place. Same place. And all of us humble at the same time. We have to look into these things and realize how many people we have lost. Remember Taya? We lose Taya. Taya used to live on the internet, run up and down with all the way. Everybody cuss everybody. Oh, big up to Queen Olive. I forgot Queen Olive. Big up to Queen Olive. Taya live on the internet. Run up and down. And Taya end up lose her life. End up dead. Right in front of all of us. Right in front of all of us. And only thing all of us can do is put up this 3-letter word. R.I.P. Because it's the easiest word to say. It's make people feel good. But if somebody put up R.I.P. for you, what is the result? You can't see it. You can't feel it. But the people that watch everything, they're looking at you different. You feel me? We lose a lot of people. We have to look into life different. Value life more. I just know say yeah. Last week, me there at Jamaica. What I was doing last week Sunday. This time last week Sunday, I was in the casino. I was in the casino last week. I gambling at Watcherios. The Saturday me there at beach all day. This week Sunday, I am here in the United States of America. I'm here in Jersey, in my hometown. The whole crew is here, getting ready to go off again to another destination. You're here today, you're gone tomorrow. You see me at Watch yesterday, you see me at New York tomorrow. You see me at New York tomorrow, you see me at Florida tomorrow. You see me at Florida tomorrow, you see me at California tomorrow. You see me at Canada, you see me at Bahamas the next day. You see me right now, tomorrow morning me lay down at the mark, waiting for my time come to find myself in a cash deck. All of us is the same. We all have a journey, we all have a life, and we all have a story. Time we start, do, and then people need to stop sitting up online and support negative. Negative. When you hear somebody up online and this is negative, distance yourself away because you're a part of the problem. When you hear people sit up online with all of this negative and this back and forth and all that, distance yourself away. Stop containing that in your space. Stop bring that in your element. That's what's up, darling. Stop bring people in your space. Stop sit down and make people draw you into their drama. Dr. Love was once a drama person, but Dr. Love was always a funny person, and Dr. Love was always a person that make you laugh, and Dr. Love come with different story, but Dr. Love was always a smart person. I was never perfect. I was never this calm, and it have nothing to do with music. You know who calm me? God and time calm me down. God and time changed my life around. That I'm not on the same thing or whatever it is. I distance myself from things and what I do and how I live my life, how I want my life to be. So if I'm with you, I'm with you. If I'm not with you, I'm just not with you. Half of the people in online, I never like enough of them. When I hear a lot of them online attack and all that, it just do something to me. It just literally do something to me. Me just like, I can't listen to, but just can't listen to it. And it's been, it have been changed for the last few years. I realize myself I drift from a lot of things. Just a drift, so. Just a drift. And then I like the drift and I like the change. You feel me? So I said to the date, online, all I want to put up RIP. Someone put up RIP, you know, someone don't mean the RIP. Someone we have run into and put up RIP and my condolence. No sound no mean the condolence. We don't know sound never have a good heart. We don't know sound never like the woman. We don't know no wasn't with the woman. We don't know no say bad things. We don't know no passing no judgment. We don't know all of those, but how you guys feel right now. How you guys feel right now when you put up a word to make yourself look good. May her soul rest in peace. And she move on to a different things. I don't care. I don't want to know where she died from. I don't care about none of that. Where she dead from. What happened to her. And all of that. Only thing I know I heard that she died. And it don't make no sense to ask a person where she dead from. It's not going to do no good to you. You can't bring back the person. Because if you could have bring back the person, we could have asked and bring them back. I know Dana have her thing come up in a July. That is week after next, I believe. Who I go buy one ticket and go support. Even if you don't like the woman, you don't know no one go buy one ticket and go. Life is too short. Go sit down and take on one medicine. Go and sit down and take on one medicine. If you can't, if you don't have the money to go, sit down and watch it if they show it and all of that. But don't fight against people. Don't say negative. Don't put up things talking about that, see? You see, one of my friends I not seen in a long time, I seen her, so. I have not seen my friend in a long time. I have not seen my friends in a long time. And look at my friend I've run into right as I've not seen in a long time. I have not seen my friend in a long time. Yes, she gonna tell me some things now. I'm my darling.
Oh, you got my favor now that you
Oh my darling.
That's the person I want to see. You
I'm,
got my favor?
what's going on, darling?
Seriously, what's up? You coming?
I'm on live, but they're not seeing you. It's my friend I haven't seen in a long time. And she give me the good pork.
Almost run me over with a van.
I should know me call her time I want food for you.
4th of July, you pass through?
No, I won't be here.
Where you go?
I go to St. Vincent. I'm not there.
Oh, you can go pick up a grill for me?
Where?
Lowe's.
You know I go and pick it up for you because you're my sister.
Okay.
But you go over there now?
I can't go over there now.
Okay, so go and pick it up for you.
Huh?
Yeah, go and
You
pick it
gonna
up.
meet me there?
Yeah.
Like now?
I'm ready, what's going on? You see my life is me just there. I lecture people and say my friend I can do something. I mean, I ever said, no, Veronica, what's going on? Miss Monkey, if I go, give me money.
Y'all didn't know?
I'm going to follow you. Give me money now.
Okay, good.
Give me 10
You
grand.
gonna pay for the grill for me? Are you travel all over the damn place?
You see me?
Now come pay for the grill.
You see me a travel?
$2.99.
You see me a travel?
At $2.99 for the grill. I pay $50.
Me dey on poverty.
Stop lying.
Me say me dey on poverty.
You know, it's anything you say lie, right? You know that. You know.
Me dey on poverty. I follow you. I follow you.
All right.
Yeah. I know, you know that voice? I'm a friend, me not seen her a long time. You know how long me not see her? Long time I fear her yard, me go eat every year. And life is so funny. Because the lady, our daughter is in the car. Well, okay, so she have a friend named Faith that we used to run joke with all the time. Our daughter is in this car right now, and our mother did up and down with we go everywhere every year. We go at 4th of July, we laugh, we talk and all of that. And the lady is such a nice lady. And one day I get a phone call and say, Mr. Faith, we just see the woman now. The woman dead. Our daughter in a car right now. Right? So this lady, you think she could have tell us this, said, no, I'm now pick up the girl for her. Because guess what happened? There's some things I remember about that lady. I remember one time, you know. I remember one time, yo, may I tell her, God, thank you for changing my life, Lord. God, thank you for changing my life around. God, thank you very, very, very much for all you have done for me. That's why you have to remember. I remember one time, you know. Remember one time, you know, in one situation, you know. Two time, remember. Me in one situation years ago, you know. I'm a call and I said to her, I say, you know, say, it was a plane ticket business too. Let me tell you my business. Let me tell you my business. Me that talk to one girl. I was talking to a girl. And me book a ticket for the girl. And it end up that when I book a ticket for the girl, I make a mistake. That time I broke like dog. Make a mistake. And like say, me tell the girl, say I told her she'll leave and never remember. Right? Never remember, say. Me never look on the ticket good. And you know, say, when me realize, say, like, say, the girl for leave today, me realize, say, the ticket, the girl missed the flight, and me never have the money. I never have red cent to book the girl ticket to go back to Jamaica. I'm called Miss Moncrief, and Miss Moncrief, me have a little problem, you know, say, such and such, and me for book a ticket, and me not really have the money, you know, and me have one if you can lend me the money, right? And she said, all right, Christopher, how much money it is? Just call out blue, you know. And I think it was $300 or $400. And I call her and she said, all right, what you want me to do? I think she book it or she give me the money. I think she book it for me. She go up online and book it for me. Right? That's my cousin you're talking about. I know your cousin. Go where I go. Go your cousin. A cousin, yeah, look. It's my cousin, not your cousin. And Miss Moncrief said to me, say, all right, Chris, I think she booked the ticket. And she booked the ticket. And another time I get me running a problem again, I never have the money and broke and pauperize. Right? I'm a call and I say, Miss Moncrief, you know, say, me in a little situation, I look at money for borrow. And she said, all right, I think she said, give me some time. I think she said, give me some time. Or, me no remember. She said, me come check her, I go check her. And I go check her, she give me the money. Lend me the money. I remember something about that lady, you know. Me just I think about me, I try to show, oh God, put some people to remember. I remember another time a lady, you know, she buy one house, you know. She have a house, right? And she buy one house so she go into the investment, you know. Time me just at the construction, you know. Don't know much about construction, but she see me at the little thing. And time me young. And she said, Chris, me buy one house over someone you do the kitchen for me and the bathroom and sitting for me and all that. And I say, alright. And I give her a price and she say, like, they can't give me a better price, man. Tell me no money. Everything for me used to be 5,000 or 10,000 or 15,000. And when she buy the house, she said, make sure you do the job, you know, because I want the house done. And she give me the job, me paint the place over, me do the kitchen, me do the bathroom over, right? This lady give me a work and then lend me money 2 times. So what happened is that over the years, and life is so funny, you know, how me met this lady, me met her through her ex-husband. Me and her ex-husband, we used to hang out, and so I met her, and me and her become better friend. Right? Are your cousin for true? Me think I lie. Angie for true. Lord God, are your cousin for true? Alright, if I say Angie are true. And make sure you tell us some good things about her.